Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I'm going to be trying Hairfinity for the first time, and I'm going to be seeing how does it work with type 4 natural hair. And I'm going to be trying the cleanse and condition kit as well as the strengthening amino mask. So if you'd like to see more, then just stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this video. Now I'm going to be starting with the Gentle Cleanse shampoo from the cleanse and condition kit. And once I pumped some out, which it had a nice little texture to it, you know, just like any other shampoo really. And I started by lathering on my roots, which it didn't have too much lather, which is pretty good, so my hair doesn't tangle too bad. My scalp was super itchy this time around, so I had to make sure I got my scalp real good. And then I moved on to the ends of my hair, and which this is really how I wash my hair anyway, just to keep down the tangles from happening so much. One thing I really liked about this shampoo is that it's sulfate free and it's a hydrating cleanser, and it's designed to remove impurities while keeping your hair intact, and it's supposed to help strengthen and reduce breakage. I obviously need that with my natural hair, especially since it's color treated. Here's my hair afterwards, looking and feeling super soft and feeling super cleansed, and really that's all I can ask for in a shampoo. Next, I'm going to move on to the Balanced Moisture Conditioner. And once I pumped that out, it was super thick and creamy, and it smelled delicious. So I just took that huge glob and I'm applying it to sections of my hair. It's really important for my hair to be conditioned, so I probably overuse product, but my hair needs to be conditioned. So I take that and I'm rubbing it through my hair, and as I'm rubbing it through, I'm feeling that it has so much slip. I'm making sure to take plenty of product and coat it really well, because I'm going to want to wide tooth comb my hair, and so I want to make sure it's fully coated. And as you can see, my curls are like popping out with me using it, which is a good sign. Just like the shampoo, this conditioner also claims to reduce breakage as well. And I did notice I didn't lose much hair as I was combing through. I wish I would have showed you guys, but I can't believe I totally forgot. But I really didn't lose much hair at all when detangling, because it was just so much slip. Nevertheless, it was super easy to detangle, and my hair is fully detangled at this point, and my hair is just soaking in all of the moisture from the conditioner. And once I rinsed it out, it felt just as conditioned as it did with the conditioner on there. So now I'm going to move on to the mask, the strengthening amino mask. Once I open it, it's also very creamy, very thick. I mean, it's thick. It ain't going nowhere. So I decided to do the same technique I did with the conditioner before, and just apply big globs. This one smelled delicious too, by the way. And apply big globs to each section of my hair, because once again, conditioning my hair is so important. One thing I liked about this mask is that it was also free of sulfates, silicones, parabens, mineral oil, and petroleum. And it's designed specifically for color treated hair, and it's supposed to protect against split ends and breakage, fill in the gaps of weak hair, and moisturize it ultimately. And some key ingredients is aloe vera, keratin and hydrolyside collagen, sweet almond oil, olive oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, biotin, vitamin C, and essential oils, lavender, cedar, cinnamon, rosemary, thyme, and peppermint. And that just drew me all the way in, because it just seems like something my hair would naturally love and definitely need. My hair was loving this product. It was feeling so soft. The curls were definitely popping once again, and I was just feeling so refreshed, to be honest, while it was on my scalp. So once I applied that to my hair was already detangled, so I decided to put on a plastic cap And then I took a towel and wrapped it around just to use natural heat to penetrate my hair. I was going to sit under the dryer, but I didn't feel like it. So I left my hair like this for 30 minutes. Y'all, once I rinsed that mask out of my hair felt so soft. It felt so good, y'all. You probably could sleep on my hair as a pillow. It felt so soft and it felt so clean and healthy. And I really had minimal hair loss and breakage. And honestly, these products worked really great on my hair. I can't lie, I was so skeptical when I first received them, but they did the trick and my hair absolutely loved them. I feel they are decently priced, especially for what they offer, but my ultimate favorite was the mask. I feel like the mask really deeply penetrated my hair and just gave it that life that I was looking for, because it had been a week since I washed my hair, so I needed that revitalization, and it worked just as good as some of my favorite masks, and I'm always looking for a great mask. I feel like the shampoo and the conditioner work together well, so if you're looking for a good shampoo and conditioner, I would definitely go for it, but I'm definitely putting my stamp of approval on all three, but especially the mask. So I would love to hear your opinion down below. Have you ever tried these products? And if you have, what is your hair type? And are you willing to try these hair products? How do you think they worked on my hair? And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.